basketball. We got sack races. We got the lime and the spoon relay races going on. We got the football, soccer going on. So I'm just happy to have like a youth field day, but also us adults gonna go be participating too. So this is gonna be a fun day for the community, and I'm glad that we all was able to come together, make this happen, repaint our village community, and just show love to our community. If not us, then who? So I think I don't know if tomorrow she is the one who's gonna be holding the mic or whatever. I don't know if you want to say anything as well. She also support giving back to the community. So yeah, I wanna just.
Hi guys, good afternoon. I'm Amy Timar. It's a pleasure doing this. It's a pleasure being a part of the team because we can't get help from anybody else, so we're gonna be our own help. We're not going to rely on anybody else to do it. We're going to get up and do it ourselves. And I like the rise up, and I like the fact that we all came together to make a difference. We want to be the difference that we want to see. Am I right? Yes, because at the end of the day, we're going to start some game, right?
We're going to start off with yoga flow. And just kind of intention setting and seeing, we're talking about the community and what we want to do and build in the community. And so it's very important to know what you all think and what you all want to see in your community. And so we're going to have an intentional yoga flow to just kind of check in with everybody. And so that's what we're going to do after we finish up with our welcome.
Alright, so we're going to actually be starting anytime soon. And normally, if you don't know me, I love to talk because that's what I get paid to do. I get paid to motivate, I get paid to inspire and push, and I love the incentive of these young females and males. The young ones that are entrepreneur, the business mind of them, everything. I love how them organized, and I love the work that you decided not to be at home in Chicago, but come in Belize, come and do something positive for Belize for the 5th time now, right? Right, and it's very good. We got the Asian King in the building. They don't know, so I'm sure say it's not just Belizean, but other persons from other country and ground and soil don't have a problem to come and take or part of doing a great thing. I'm really delighted, and I'm always going to give you the honor of standing with your wife to be, because I'm going to put that in the beans, that whatever we speak, that's what manifests. So if I speak that and you agree with it, we can just start planning the wedding. We don't know if I next year or whatever. What I'm saying, understand me? I'm down for that, and I love this, and I love to see young people getting up and doing the right thing, coming together, unite as one. I am a born Jamaican, he's a born Asian, Chicago, but Belizean background, and you see, we are all here together as one. We're aiming for one goal, and that is to make a difference. So we're going to go into the yoga?
Yes.
All right, so you can take it over now, Amy.
All right. So at this moment, we just wanted to invite all of us. We see the sun is nice and hot right now.
I just never tell us say, I want the kids and go to another sun.
So that's why we're going to do our session here underneath our shed. So we want everybody to circle up here. We're going to start off with a brief yoga flow to just kind of get us acclimated to the space as well as setting our intention. So everybody come into a circle.
Hi, it's a girl Timar. You don't know, we're at the Rise Up. One of the students.
All right.
That's all.
Yes, and we're here today at the Carmelita Rise Up Development.
We would love to have some of our representatives also, if they'd like to come up, say a couple words, whether it's about the Rise Up Living Collective, about your experience here in Belize, about what you came here for, what your intention is being here today. So I'd like to bring up our first speaker, Corey Phillips, one-time Chicago native, a great leader in the Chicago community, doing a lot of great work for our people. Would love for you to share a couple words, brother, how it's been for you to be here. And thank you for your time. Thank you for coming to Belize, man. Big up, brother.
Yes, sir. Yeah, so my name is Corey Phillips. I'm 22 years old. This experience has been something that's very unforgettable. Be able to connect people across different cultures. And even though we come from different places, different experiences, different lifestyles, this is something that is greater for each and every one of us to be able to grow and find ways we can build a better community. build a better culture, build a better source of media that people can see that you can just do anything that you desire, that you put your mind to, that we can build peace, we can build relationships, we can rebuild our communities. We did this all ourselves. With each and every one of you in this room has the power to do those things. And before we leave, I just have a couple of affirmations. So they say, repeat after me and all these different things. We are loved.
We are loved.
We are wealthy.
We are wealthy.
We are legendary.
We are legendary.
We are free.
We are free.
Rise up.
Rise up.
Thank you.
Hello.
Yeah, so I'm Brady. I just, I make stuff up on the fly a lot. And I'm feeling great. I'm feeling really awesome. And I think that's because this is I think true peace. I think this is the peace that a lot of people chase after. Like, appreciate everybody that's here. And we're about to do some stuff together that's gonna be really, really fun. And more likely than not, there will be moments where you're so involved in the activity that you're doing that you're not really anywhere but here. And that's what inner peace is. It's about knowing that you're present within yourself.
We have some Belizean national volleyball stars here amongst us. So that is Fatima and Hassan, as well as Samantha. So these are some young people who are from Belize as well, who are playing and representing Belize on national and international levels. And so these are very great work. And they come from Belize as well. And so we're so grateful that you all came to just talk to the young people and tell them how possible it is for them to, follow their dreams and accomplish whatever it is that they want to accomplish. And it's no pressure. It's just, welcoming you into the space, and if there's any words of encouragement you wanted to share to our young people today.
I just wanted to say how I feel. I feel grateful being out here. This is my first time in Carmelita. So I'm enjoying the village life. I'm from Belcan, so I'm from the big city, so I don't really get to experience this slower paced lifestyle. But I'm glad that I'm here to encourage the youth. We're gonna have sport. Volleyball gets you far. If you're playing a sport, I would encourage all of you to play a sport, because sports is what got me to the United States. So I'm grateful to be able to share my knowledge with the young people, and let's have fun today.
And I would like to see all around good vibes in my community.
Good vibes, good vibes. Thank you, Brady. You can pass it here. Say your name and what you would like to see in your community.
What's your name? Mitzi.
Hi.
Well, how do you feel today?
Good, all right. You can either say how you feel or what you would like to see in your community, all right?
Good job.
Pass the mic around, yep. And no need to be shy, y'all. We see each other, we know each other all the time, and so we just got to talk to each other a little bit more, all right? All right. Yep, say it loud enough so we can say
Hey, Sayuri.
Community clean, that's a great one. Pass it back here to the ladies first. Community clean. Yep.
I would like to see when people stop fighting.
Yes, people stop fighting. That's very good. Pass it to Janaya, please.
My name is Naya, and I would like to see everyone getting along.
Everyone getting along. We need more peace in our community.
Hi, I'm Hassan Martinez, and I would love to see more activities and functions for the youth.
Yes, youth empowerment. Thank you.
My name is Fatima, and I would like to see more support from all over the country.
More support nationally and internationally.
My name is OJ. I'd like to see more genuine love in my community.
You said love. We need that.
My name is Deandre, and I would like to see peace in everyone.
Peace. Thank you so much for sharing, brother.
My name is Kims, and I would like to see more smiles in my community.
Thank you, brother Kels. We need more smiles, more joy.
My name is Corey, and I would love to see more connection within our communities.
What would you like to see in our community?
Everybody getting along.
Everyone getting along. That's amazing. We need more peace. Would you like to go?
My name is Brighton
Hey, Brighton.
and I want everybody enjoy themselves.
Everybody.
Yes, more enjoyment in that community. Thank you so much.
Alright, so we're gonna bring it this way
You got a
with
couple
this.
more?
Say your name and what it is you would like to see in your community. You already went. You already went. You gonna come back around. Everybody going. So that's why we wanted you all to hear other people. People said more smiles, less fighting, people getting along. If you all want to see sports, whatever it is, this is a space we want to know what you all would like to see in your community here, okay? And so we'll start with Ebony and then we can pass it around this way. So everybody, we want to hear what you all would like to see in your community.
My name is Bonnie, and I would like to see more opportunities for the young people to express themselves more, whether it's through sports or get together like this.
Thank you, Bonnie. That's amazing. And you don't have to be afraid to say anything wrong. Just all come together.
My name is Jerry. And I see more happiness in my community.
More happiness. Yes, thank you, thank you. We need more happiness in the community. All right, who's going next?
My name is Orlando Jones. I already see what I'm having.
You already see it?
Thank you for sharing.
Hey, I'm Mrs. Nunez, and what I would like to see in the community is more opportunity for the younger generation, for them to get the opportunity to fulfill their dreams and to come out positive and just not to continue the violence and anything that would prevent them from excelling in life.
Yes, thank
Gary,
you.
Gary, did you go?
Gary!
Gary.
Say your name.
Come on, Gary!
is RJ, and I want to see that they get more opportunity to the little kids.
Yes. That's right. That's amazing. Thank you for sharing.
Gary.
Hey,
Gary doing?
Gary. Okay. Yes. Thank you. You all good? You want to say your name?
My name is Michael Pelayo, and I wish that everyone in the school have no enemies and have a great life.
My name is Aaliyah, and I would like to see for everybody to respect each other in my community.
Hello everyone, my name is Emmeline, and I would like to see more opportunities for the young people. I would like to see clubs, I would like to see sports, I would like to see you all just have a space to grow and to have healthy influences so you all can do the things and grow into the gifts that God has given you all. That's what I would like to see in my community.
Yes, amen, amen. Would you like to go?
My name is Sarah, and I would like
I'd like to have a clean community and her family being happy, y'all. That's amazing. You can give it up for her one time. Thank you. You want to go as well? One more time?
My name is Morocco, and I want the community always clean.
Yes. Thank you so much. Reggie?
My name is Frenchie, and I want to see more fruit trees in my community.
Alright, did everybody share? Share? Okay. Grace, Max. We almost done, y'all. Then we have our snack time and water break next, and then we're gonna go into some games, okay?
My name is Grace, and I would like to see more community.
More community. More unity. Yes, thank you, Grace. Thank you. Next. And Miss Eunice.
I would like to see more love, respect, and fairness in the community.
Respect and fairness, beautiful.
My name is Eunice, and I would like to see more community development, more healthy environment, more urban farming, and
Thank you. Peace and love, everybody. How to make a prosperous life for ourselves and our community. So that's what I will create in our community. Thank you all so much.
My name is Shar, and I would like to see more upliftment in our communities in a positive way, encouraging each other to step outside the box and do more things, getting out into nature and things like that.
Samantha, what would you like to see more of in your community?
Hold up, I got you.
More men and women mentors.
Yes.
So, a lot of more men and women who already been in the field that we aspire to be in. So we could get more help. So it's not just like, a few people. I would like to see more people like on their free time helping out the community so it's easier.
Thank you, that's beautiful.
My name is Bernard. I represent community please.
Yes. The girl Timar, and I'm here in Carmelita for the sports day today. As you can see, activities going on. It started now. We're here to achieve greatness, and we're starting from the younger generation. So you can.
Okay, I'm gonna throw a shot. You see y'all? I'm gonna get through the second. All right, you ready? Yep, move back. Yep.
But I do understand.
Hit you again. Back. Good. Vale, please. Give it to the sector. Oh, my God. All right, 11, 10, 12. Miss, after them ball. Uno, dos, 10, 9.
Hey, pick it up! You touch it!
Watch this. Point. Again, there are 12, but 11. They got 12. They got 12. How much we got?
Sports today. Well, we have volleyball. So we have the volleyball champion girl. Say no, no what?
Separate everybody into 8 groups so that everybody can play a fair game. people in their same age. So we'll ask everybody to come together at this moment so we can separate into age groups, and then we'll have a few more organized games of volleyball, basketball, football over here, and frisbee back in the corner, okay?
Hey! So we can bring it all together, so we can break up in groups, and that would be great, so we can go into all 4 activities that we have planned, y'all.
Rise up team leads. To raise our hands, we're going to separate into a few different groups. So, can we have some of our Rise Up team leaders join us over here? So we're going to have everybody pull up this way.
Pull up, everyone.
All right, so we're going to have our ages 3 to 5. Anybody 3 to 5? Come over here. Okay, so it's okay if you're 3 to 5. Come over here with me, Miss Emmeline. If you're 3, 4, or 5 years old, come right here with Miss Emmeline. Alrighty.
If you're 6 to 9, come here to Coach Corey. On the basketball court. On the basketball court. If you're 6 to 9 years old, come to the basketball court. 6 to 9. 6 to 9. How old are you? 7. Come to the basketball court. Coach Emma.
Yes, alrighty, and then now we're going to say, so we have 3 to 5, 6 to 8, and then we're going to do 8 to 9.
Let's go, Vani.
That was side square the ball, but that's so sad.
Put it in ball,
Come on, guys. Let's get this game on the road. Let's go. Outside. Come on, show the talent. Come on, Carmelita team. Yeah.
You may play rugby just now. No, you want you to play football. No, you want to play rugby. Look for now, put it.
Come, no Alaska drinking today. Let's go. Yeah. Come, run. Sit for him. Take it from him.
Volleyball.
Come on, guys. Let's go. Stop kicking the ball out of the ring, man. Some man who wants a ball game. Ball.
You gotta take a shot. Pass your teammate. Pass it. RJ, come on. Pass the ball. Come on, RJ. You gotta get the ball. Oh! Watch out. Hang on, no shooting. Wait. Pass it. Take a shot.
Don't worry about that.
Take a shot. Don't worry about him. Take it in. You got it. Get it in.
Jalen. Pass it to them.
Pass it. You got it.
Pass it to them.
Pass it. RJ.
Get it in.
Take the shot.
No running.
Pass your teammate.
I'll be right back, y'all.
Pass your teammate. You got it.
No. I got it.
RJ.
Special.
Bro, why, bro? Bro, like every time I
DM.R.
Replay.
Give me that brata then. Brata.
Rotate.
Anybody else for the younger boys?
Watch out. Remember, you have to get your hands up.
You only can win once we see the white meat.
You can't, yes. You can't touch it.
Alright, everyone. Have you heard the rules?
Hey y'all, do y'all think Gary should go with the older boys or with them?
Yeah, chance.
Alright. We're gonna go over the rules one more time. Hands stay behind the back the whole time.
That's a four.
No use your hands. Hands stay behind your back and you
want to play?
Okay?
So one more, yes.
One more.
You want to play?
Alright, this good.
Wait.
Well, good. Look at your bad job.
You can't touch. Wait, I don't know if we got.
Keep your hand behind the back. Once you touch your watermelon, you can't grab it.
You can't touch it. Everybody watch. When he blow the whistle to start.
Easy big
Ready?
through the hand.
Hold on. Ready? When he blow it.
1,
R.
2, 3.
R. Look good. But I want watermelon, you know, chew the stars and you swallow.
So we're having the adults eating watermelon contest.
Real quick, from earlier too, the winner get a winning prize. The winner get a winning prize, alright? Same with the winners earlier. The winner get a winning prize. You get a prize, brother. Alright, we ready? 3, 2,
1.
Go!
Don't mistake me with that.
Get that watermelon.
Let's go.
real man eat pork. That's it. That's my boy.
Yes, there's a dream that is so good.
Come on.
Let's get it.
We got ball.
Keep going.
Come on, man. There you go.
Almost there.
Balidon over there, no. He done, no. Balidon.
No way.
He done.
Brady in. Down to the finish. Who's going? Finish it. Who's going to be a champion? Who wants it more? Who wants it more?
You that. You can't know I left you.
Let's go. 3 down to the finish. 2, 1.
You can't touch it. Win.
Damn.
He eat good too.